Hey guys, it's Sawcy-C here, back with another video. Today we will be building this cool Lego set. It's from Harry Potter, the 12th Grimmauld Place. So let's get into it. Okay, just gotta cut this tape open. Open it up. Let's get all these bags out. There's quite a bit. What in the world is this? Is this the instructions? Oh gosh, I'll open that in a minute. That's scaring me. That's the instructions. Man. What in the world? Let's set that over to the side. Don't know why it's out. Hopefully there's not a hole in one of our bags. That would be really terrible. Well, looks like that's it. So let's open this up and see what's in it. That one not cut. There we go. Oh, that's the instructions. Well, here it is right here, guys. So, let's get building.
Fighting and we're fine. You know I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine, I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine, oh mine, I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine.
Okay guys, I'm done with bag one. Let's get on to bag two.
Out, I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight the fear when I feel like dying. I'm trying to fly high, but I'm not a pilot, can't deny it. There's some days I feel idiotic, just a prod.
Okay guys, I'm done with bag two. This is what I've got so far. It's pretty cool. But let's get to bag three.
Every single problem brings a lesson that I learned. The darkest nights, when things seem so broken, it's hard to shine, but I still try. I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight. That's right. Baby, I was born to fight. Let's go.
Okay guys, I just finished with bag three and I'm on to bag four. I got a lot of the steps set out, so it'll go a lot quicker.
When you known I'm off for like forever, now you're just a ghost. Ain't no way to sugarcoat it, shit, I feel alone. Been single for a decade, doing me is getting old. I don't pick up when the phone rings, too busy recording. Industry ignores me, but I keep on going, cause I know you got my back, I got you too. No matter what the situation, we gon' make it through. I'm a fighter, not a quitter. They can say that I'm a sinner, cause they love to hate the winner, but I'm never gonna give up.
Okay guys, it's the next day, and let's get to bag five. Okay guys, we're done with bag 5, and I got my friend here to help me with bag 6, so let's get into it. Okay guys, we're done with bag 6, now let's go to bag 7. Okay guys, we're done. This set took about 4 hours, and I'll give it a solid 9 out of 10. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you next time.